Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to add pages to your navigation and create drop-down menus in Squarespace 7.0. Let's get right to it. First, open up your site and click into the Pages panel. Look for the section labeled Primary Navigation and click the plus sign right next to it. To create a drop-down menu, select Folder from the list of options. Give your new folder a name, like Services or About Us. This title is what visitors will see in your main navigation bar. Next, you need to actually put pages inside that folder. The easiest way is to simply click and drag any of your existing pages from your Pages panel directly underneath the folder. They will indent slightly to show they are nested inside. If you want to add a brand new page or a link to an external site, just click the plus sign directly inside the folder itself. You can choose to add a blank page, a gallery, or even link directly to a specific blog post category. And that is it. Your navigation is officially organized and easy to use. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.